Hi! In this video we're going to solve this exercise in which we want to write a program that, given a list, count the number of the even numbers. So, first of all, we need to define a list of numbers. In this case, can be this one, and then let's use the for statement. In this case, for example, the variable I in the number of the list, in this case number. So this will iterate the variable I across each value of the list, 10, 8, so on until 6. So inside the for loop we want to check some condition, in this case that the variable I can be divided by 2. So if this condition is satisfied, we want to count how many numbers. So let's start with a variable count, initialize it to 0, and each time this condition is satisfied, the value of count can be increased by 1. So at the end of the loop, when the code reaches this point, we can print the final result. So in this case there will be 1, 2, and 3. So by using this structure we can iterate by each element of the list, tuple and other structures, and do something by using the for loop. Thanks for watching.